This podcast is on dividing decimals. There's two types of problems when you divide decimals. The first type of problem is dividing a decimal by a whole number. So it's this one right here. Decimal being divided by a whole number. An example is 25 and 6/10 being divided by 4. So there's really only one rule you need to know for taking a decimal divided by a whole number. And that's you need to move your decimal straight up into your quotient right away. So just move your decimal straight up there. Now that your decimals move straight up, you just divide like normal. So 4 goes into 2 0 times. 4 goes into 25 6 times. And 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract, we get 1 left over. Bring down the 6. And now 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. And we get 0 left over. So your quotient is 6 and 4/10. Now you can discount and double check this problem just like you could any other problem. Let's take our quotient 6 and 4/10 times our divisor 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry your 1. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Count your places in your problem. We have one place in our problem, so we need to move our decimal over exactly one spot. And we get 25 and 6/10, which was our original dividend. The next type of problem is taking a decimal divided by a decimal. Like what you see in the problem, 6 and 24/100 divided by 1 and 2/10. Here, we're not allowed to have a decimal in the divisor, so we must move it to the right until we get a whole number. So now, we moved it one spot to the right, and we must do the same thing in our dividend. Move it one spot to the right. So our new problem is 12 as a divisor, and now 62 and 4/10 in the dividend. And this problem will have the exact same answer as the problem 1 and 2/10 as a divisor and 6 and 24/100 in the dividend. Now let's just do what we did last problem. Bring your decimal straight up and divide like normal. 12 goes into 6 0 times. 12 goes into 62 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60. Subtract, we get 2 left over. Bring down the 4. 12 goes into 24 2 times. That equals 24. We get 0 left over. And again, we can discount and double check this problem the same. 5 and 2/10 times 12. That would equal 4. 2 times 5 is 10. 0 as a placeholder. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Let's add these together. And now count your places. We got exactly one spot again. So move it over one spot. And this is the exact same as our dividend there. So now you're thinking, well, we got the answer for 62 and 4/10 divided by 12. Well, that answer is exactly the same as here. So your answer here is also 5 and 2/10. Thank you for watching my